I planted 6 lavender plants last spring. The plants arrived in good shape and grew to about 18 inches tall and 10 to 12 inches across, but Dale, they never bloomed. Why did none of my new lavender plants bloom last year? And this is Dennis from Madison, West Virginia. So they didn't bloom
Well,
last year. Okay?
usually I say over-fertilizing,
That's what I thought, yeah.
plant them in too much shade.
Yeah.
Those are usually causes that can, but I'm wondering, maybe the plants were grown in a greenhouse and maybe they never got, maybe they never got fertilization. I don't know if that's a thing with lavender or not, but let's see if they're back on schedule this year blooming. And you know, was it the spring or was it late spring? Maybe you missed maybe you sort of planted them after they would bloom, but. And if they were grown from seed, maybe they're not horticulturally mature enough to bloom. But if you're buying cultivars, they're asexually propagated by cuttings, and so they should bloom the first year. But if you're growing them from seed, if they were grown from seed, that could be the problem. I know Adam Queen here at the Dixon actually starts lavender from seed, so it's a thing. But anyway, most of the ones that we're familiar with that we grow here in the Mid-South are from cuttings because. Most lavender doesn't like us here, you know.
Yeah, I know.
we're a far cry from Provence, France, you know.
Yeah, that I do know. No, that's good. So I definitely thought about maybe too much nitrogen fertilizer, too much fertilizer, and make sure it's full sun and good drainage. Make sure you have good drainage.
For our Mid-South gardeners, definitely good drainage. They actually appreciate a little bit of lime, and they like good drainage and full sun, hot sun. They like baking sun. They're from Mediterranean climates where it's winter wet and summer dry. So they don't like a lot of moisture.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.